This 2019 Jayco Redhawk 26XD is a Class C RV. It is located in Springfield, Missouri, 65802 and is offered for sale by Reliable RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features a medium pebble interior, sleeps 6, slide-out. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bath. This 2019 Jayco Redhawk 26XD is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.